morning, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. It is Tuesday, August 30th, 2011, 7:33 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Mind-altering microbes, probiotic bacteria may lessen anxiety and depression. Science Daily, August 29, 2011. Probiotic bacteria may have potential to alter brain neurochemistry and treat anxiety and depression-related disorders, according to research published in the Proceedings of National Academy of Sciences. Good morning, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. It is Monday, August 29, 2011, 9:39 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Free radicals crucial to suppressing appetite. Science Daily, August 29, 2011. Obesity is growing at alarming rates worldwide, and the biggest culprit is overeating. In a study of brain circuits that control hunger and satiety, Yale School of Medicine researchers have found that molecular mechanisms controlling free radicals, molecules tied to aging and tissue damages, are at the heart of increased appetite and diet-induced obesity. Good morning, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. This is Tuesday, August 30th, 2011, 7:35 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. The researchers also showed that regular feeding with the lactobacillus strain caused changes in the expression of receptors for the neurotransmitter GABA in the mouse brain, which is the first time that it has been demonstrated that potential probiotics have a direct effect on brain chemistry in normal situations. Good evening, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. It is Monday, August 29, 2011, 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. New method detects emerging sunspots deep inside the sun. Provides warning of dangerous solar flares. Science Daily, August 19, 2011. Viewed from the technological perspective of modern humans, the sun is a seething cauldron of disruptive influences that can wreak havoc on communication systems, air travel, power grids, and satellites, not to mention astronauts in space. If disruptions such as polar flares and mass eruptions could be predicted, protective measures could be taken to shield vulnerable electronics before solar storms strike. Now Stanford researchers have developed a method that allows them to peer deep into the sun's interior, using acoustic waves to catch sunspots in the early stage of development and giving as much as 2 days warning. Good evening, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. This is Monday, August 29, 2011, 10:28 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Sutures method for joining blood vessels invented. Science Daily, August 28, 2011. Reconnecting severed blood vessels is mostly done the same way today, with sutures as it was 100 years ago, when the French surgeon Alex Carrel won a Nobel Prize for advancing the technique. Now a team of researchers at Stanford University School of Medicine has developed a sutureless method that appears to be faster, safer, and easier alternative. Good evening, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. This is Monday, August 29, 2011, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Astrophysicists solve 40-year-old Mariner 5 solar wind problem. Turbulence doesn't go with the flow. Science Daily, August 26, 2011. Researchers led by astrophysicists at the University of Warwick has resolved a 40-year-old problem with observations of turbulence in the solar wind first made by the probe Mariner 5. The researchers solve an issue with what is by far the largest and most interesting natural turbulence lab accessible to researchers today. Good evening, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. This is Monday, August 29, 2011, 10:33 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Black Death bacterium identified. Genetic analysis of medieval plaque. Skeletons show presence of Yersinia pestis bacteria. Science Daily, August 29, 2011. A team of German and Canadian scientists has shown that today's plaque pathogen has been around at least 600 years. The Black Death claimed the lives of 1/3 of Europeans in the 5 years from 1348 to 1353. Until recently, it was not certain whether the bacterium Yersinia pestis, known to cause the plaque today, was responsible for that most deadly outbreak of disease. Good evening, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. This is Monday, August 29, 2011, 11:17 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Bilingual babies' vocabulary linked to early brain differentiation. Science Daily, August 29, 2011. Babies and children are whizzes at learning a second language, but that ability begins to fade as early as their first birthdays. Researchers at the University of Washington Institute for Learning and Brain Science are investigating the brain mechanism that contribute to infants' prowess at learning languages, with the hope that the findings could boost bilingualism in adults too. Good morning, this is Dr. Will C. BMD, PhD. This is Tuesday, August 30th, 2011, 3:07 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Answer of the day. If Frankenstein was the name of the scientist who tinkered with nature and created the monster, what was the name of the monster he produced? He doesn't seem to have a name, though he refers to himself when speaking to his creator as Adam of your labors. But when people think of Frankenstein, they generally think of the monster. The product of scientific experimentation runs amok. Author Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley was born on this date in 1797. Her book Frankenstein of the Modern Prometheus was one of the first Gothic novels. Shelley was just 19 years old when she completed the novel. She published it anonymously the first time around in 1818. In its second edition in 1831, Shelley's name appeared on the cover. End.